Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant, Bellator Claims Resolution. I am growing out my winter beard. I hope you like it. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Robin of Greeley, Colorado. We are the only home on our street alone that is not getting a new roof with nothing out of pocket. The independent adjuster that came to our house even told us that if it was another insurance company, the roof would probably be replaced without question. I'll talk about that here in a second. He told us that was just the way the insurance company operated. We were changing companies and the agent said that was probably best. Guess our business is not important to such a big company. Yeah, that's usually the case. I mean, these huge multi-billion-dollar for-profit companies rarely care if they lose one client. Now, if they lost 10% of their clients, they'd start listening, right? And that's the deal, is when an independent insurance adjuster, this is the deal that I want you to understand about independent insurance adjusters, okay? We call them IA, or independent adjusters. They still work for the insurance company. They do not work for you as a consumer. People, policyholders, property owners tell me, well, he was an independent adjuster. That's great. I think sometimes it's better to have an independent adjuster, but they do not work for you. They work for the insurance companies. They're just 1099 contractors that are independent of a big corporate company. They work for an independent adjuster firm that is hired out by multiple insurance companies. They do not work for you as the consumer. That's what we do. We are licensed public insurance adjusters. We work specifically on behalf of the public, not the private corporations. We cannot work for private companies if we have a public insurance adjuster's license. So it is illegal for me to work for a large insurance company because I am tasked to represent the policyholder or the property owner. So don't get those two confused. But when the independent adjuster says, oh, if it was a different company, it wouldn't be a problem, you'd get a new roof, you know that's a problem for multiple reasons, okay? One being this independent adjuster, as I just explained, works for different insurance companies. So insurance company A is not going to pay for your claim, but insurance company B, based on their guidelines, the independent adjuster knows that if you were with insurance company B, they'd pay that. Well, isn't damage damage? Isn't hail damage, storm damage, fire damage, smoke damage, water damage if it's covered, depending on your policy? Isn't it damage? So why does it matter if you have insurance company A or insurance company B? It shouldn't, but that's where the problem lies, is these insurance companies don't operate as they should on behalf of their policyholders, because what they're looking out for are their shareholders, because these large insurance companies are putting their profits before the people that pay their premiums. That's not fair. And that's exactly what's happening in this case when an independent adjuster tells you, oh, sorry, you have crappy insurance company A, but if you were with better insurance company B, it'd be paid for. Storm damage is storm damage. The independent adjuster is there to operate as an independent adjuster and take pictures of the damage that is visible. Report back and take an estimate on whatever the damage is, whatever the scope and the price of repairs is going to be. Then who makes the decision on if your claim is going to get paid or not? Somebody sitting out of state behind a desk is making a decision on your behalf that is usually not in your favor if insurance company A won't pay for the damage, but insurance company B would. I don't know. You just have to question why these for-profit companies are denying legitimate claims where insurance company A is going to deny it, but insurance company B would pay for it. Okay? These companies make money by denying claims. These companies make money by underpaying claims. That's how they make money. They have figured it out, and they care about their shareholders more than they do you, the policyholder, the premium payer. Doesn't make any sense, does it? But the guy on TV, you're really going to be taken care of by us. We'll stand behind you. You're the best. You're our number one priority until you make a frickin' claim, and then kibosh, we don't care about you. We now think you are a risk to our bottom line. That's the only thing that explains what's going on in the insurance industry right now for property claims, for residential, commercial, or industrial. If you need help, if you're getting pushback, and if you have an independent adjuster tell you, well, if you were with a different company, it'd be paid for, you know for sure you have a claim, and you know you for sure have a legitimate claim, because that's what the independent adjuster is here to figure out, right? So contact us when you need to fight back on the insurance company. You need to have somebody on your team fighting for you, fighting for your best interest to make sure you are getting taken care of. My name is Taylor Grant. I'm a licensed public insurance adjuster, and all that means to you is we fight on behalf of your best interest, not the insurance company. So when you need to make sure you're getting a legitimate claim for property insurance paid fully, contact us, and contact us sooner than later. BellatorClaims.com.